Hi YouTube! Normally you only see me during a live stream or a VOD, but today I wanted to give a quick update on the project of SpaceOdyssey so far, because some stuff has gone down. First and foremost, my partner and I we have released our proof of concept or the alpha version of the game on itch.io. The game is far from finished by now, but it's a good starting point to see the direction in which we want to go in. The game will stay in this form on itch until the next major release, which will be the alpha version. You can still go ahead and play this version, and if you do, please fill in the feedback form which you can find in the description of the game on itch. I will also make sure that both the game link and the feedback form link are in the top of the description down below, so please go check these out. A second big update part is the fact that my partner in crime has stopped after working on the proof of concept. It's unclear at this point whether this will be just a temporary break or he has quit the project in general, but this has some big implications on the deadlines that we've set, etc. So the original deadline of releasing the alpha version somewhere mid-August is not gonna happen. I'll be honest, I have to work on this project in my free time after work, and doing this alone it will take a lot longer. So that deadline is out of the window, but I still plan on working on the game. For me, this journey is not over, we've just begun, and I really want to see it through to the end. So don't worry, the game is still in development, it'll just go slow from now on. Now, some actual updates on the game itself. I've collected all the feedback from people I know, some random people as well online who already played the game and gave some incredible feedback. So first and foremost, thank you to all of you who did. And the things I gathered from the feedback have already been added to the backlog. Most of these items have also been put in the scope for the alpha version. The scope is pretty much defined at this point. I know what I want and what I don't want in the alpha version. Now, if there are some very critical things that do come out of the feedback form, I'm of course willing to change the scope of the alpha, but for now it's kind of locked. So a few things I've added so far. First and foremost, there is now a timer that keeps track of how long you've survived for. The second thing is that there is now in-game currency that you can earn based on the time you've survived alongside the score you've accumulated throughout your run. I've also been working on saving game data to a save file. That way you don't always lose your progress, you don't lose the high score, your in-game currency. This will also be important for later on when there are upgrades and unlockables that you've bought with this in-game currency. A second thing I wanted to tackle is project structure. We went in with the mentality of this is a proof of concept, we just have to go fast, which resulted in very unoptimized and sloppy code along with a messy project structure. The result of this is a handful of non-critical bugs that have been found by both me and that have also been reported by the playtesters who played the game so far. So my main focus right now is to clean up the project structure and to tackle these bugs before adding more content to the game. The reason for this is I don't want to build on top of errors. I want to first fix the errors that are there before adding new features to the game. Afterwards, I'm also planning on taking on some quality of life updates. The biggest reason or the biggest example I can give for this is the and this is a critical issue, the very critical issue that after about 3 minutes the game takes up so many resources that it just starts to lag out completely and it's basically not playable. This is not good, and so this is one of the quality of life updates I want to tackle. And when all these things are done, then I can go back to adding new features and improving the systems that are already in place. I think I hit most of the important points. If you like these kind of update videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye!